When it comes time to replace the windows in your Sumter home, you're not just investing in aesthetics. You're making a significant improvement to the overall energy efficiency, comfort, and security of your living space. Choosing the right type of windows is essential for creating a home that is not only stylish but also practical. With various options available, homeowners in Sumter should consider both the specific needs of their homes and the unique weather conditions of the region. Here are some of the best types of windows for replacement in Sumter homes, each offering specific advantages to fit different preferences and requirements. Double-hung windows. Classic and versatile double-hung windows are a staple in many Sumter homes, and for good reason. These windows feature two sashes that move vertically, which means they are easy to open and close from either the top or the bottom. This versatility is especially useful in homes with children or pets, as the top sash can be opened to let in fresh air while keeping the bottom sash closed for safety. Double-hung windows are also relatively easy to maintain. Many modern double-hung windows come with a tilt-in feature that allows for easy cleaning from inside your home, a major convenience for homeowners who want to keep their windows spotless without risking a dangerous climb. Casement windows. Unobstructed views and great ventilation. Casement windows are a great choice for homeowners in Sumter who prioritize natural ventilation and unobstructed views. These windows open outward like a door, usually with a crank mechanism that makes them easy to operate. Because the window swings open completely, it allows for maximum airflow, making them ideal for homes in warmer climates, such as Sumter, where proper ventilation can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Casement windows are also highly energy efficient, providing a tight seal when closed, which can reduce air leaks and enhance your home's insulation. For homeowners looking to let in a breeze while keeping their home cool, casement windows are an excellent option. Sliding windows. Space-saving and easy to operate. Sliding windows are another great choice for homeowners with limited space. These windows operate by sliding horizontally along a track, and they do not protrude outward like casement windows. This makes them ideal for areas where you may not have much room to work with, such as along walkways, patios, or in high traffic areas. Sliding windows also offer a wide viewing area since they have fewer muntins, the bars that divide the glass panes, providing clear, unobstructed views of the outdoors. Their sleek design and easy operation make them a popular choice for modern homes in Sumter. Plus, they are typically easy to maintain, as the glass is simple to clean from the inside. Bay and bow windows. Adding charm and space. Bay and bow windows are an excellent option if you're looking to add both charm and functionality to your home. These windows extend outward from the wall, creating a small nook inside that can be used for seating, storage, or decorative purposes. They are often found in living rooms, dining areas, or even bedrooms, adding both visual interest and additional space to the interior. In Sumter, where the weather can vary, bay and bow windows offer the benefit of letting in plenty of natural light while providing a panoramic view of the surrounding landscape. They are a timeless choice that can elevate the curb appeal of any home while increasing its overall value. Energy-efficient windows. Keeping your home comfortable year-round. Energy-efficient windows are an essential investment for homeowners looking to improve their home's insulation and reduce energy costs. These windows feature advanced technologies such as low emissivity, low-E glass, which reflects heat back into the home during the winter and keeps it out during the summer. This makes them an excellent choice for Sumter homes, where both hot summers and cooler winters can lead to fluctuating energy bills. Energy-efficient windows also help reduce the impact of outside noise, keeping your home quieter and more peaceful. They come in various styles, including double-hung, casement, and sliding windows, allowing homeowners to choose the look that best suits their home while enjoying the benefits of improved insulation. Impact-resistant windows. Protecting your home from storms. In Sumter, like many parts of South Carolina, severe weather such as hurricanes and thunderstorms can be a concern. Impact-resistant windows are designed to withstand the high winds and flying debris associated with these storms, offering peace of mind to homeowners. These windows are made with laminated glass and reinforced frames, making them significantly stronger than standard windows. While they are particularly useful in storm-prone areas, impact-resistant windows also provide the added benefits of increased security and noise reduction. Whether you're concerned about the weather or looking to enhance your home's overall safety, impact-resistant windows are an excellent investment. Conclusion. Replacing the windows in your Sumter home is a great way to improve both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your property. Whether you're looking for energy efficiency, improved ventilation, or enhanced curb appeal, there are window options that can meet your needs. Consider your home's style, climate, and safety requirements when choosing the right windows, and you'll enjoy the benefits for years to come. With the right windows, your Sumter home can become more comfortable, secure, and energy efficient, all while adding to its overall value.